Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss and continue chapter 1. The Indian Constitution and historical background. Okay. Now topic Home Rule movement. Home Rule movement started 1916. Yeah, this year 1916. Who started Home Rule movement? Srimati Anne Besant. Anne Besant and one of the national freedom fighter Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Anne Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, both of persons. Home rule means home rule means own land. So we are the people of India. We are sovereign country, republic of the country. So in this country, so many type of movements are mainly emerged in our Indian history. So home rule movement of 1916 years started. This is one of the main important of national movement. So, Anne Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, two members started Home Rule movement. It is the self-rule. Home rule means self-ruling system. Self-rule system. Okay, self-rule system. It is the meaning. What about you? For example, self-rule or Indian independent. Like we got independent which year 1947 August 15th. So and the which type of movement are mainly crucial type of movement. In our Indian history, so many national movements are crucial type of movement. For example, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement. These are movement totally change of their Indian history. So home rule movement also one of the background or what is main background of home rule movement 1916. Home rule is the self-rule of the movement, self-ruling system, and it is the mainly self-rule means it is the our own country, own nation, own national feelings, own national critical system. Okay, these are the total mainly impact of the home rule movement. Others also, like example 1935 1930 and 1935. These years also so many movements start in Indian history. 1930 and 1935. So these are the main important of the in our Indian history. Home rule and self-rule system. Simon Commission example. Simon Commission. It is the Simon Commission. What about the Simon Commission? Simon Commission, Sir John Marshall Commission and Simon Commission also introduced of the Indian history. Simon Commission got totally the Simon Commission historically we got Britishers also went to the motherland. So India also got a separate of freedom of the nation, freedom of the country. So in this country we are divided. For example, British government period announced of the which type of policy, divide and rule policy, divide and rule. Divide and rule system. Divide and rule system policy. Divide so many blocks, so many groups. Your country is the biggest of the country of India. So divide some groups. Divide and rule. Rule is also main important of the Indian nation. So divide and rule policy and mathematical theory system and constitution principles, constitutional law. So these are examples of the about historical background of the constitution. So next, the constitution is the biggest of the constitution in our India. Why? It is written on the constitution, written and adopted of the constitution, written constitution and next adopted, self rule and self system also adopted in this constitution. Okay. Example here, the written of the constitution. Example, this type of constitution, the Great Britain. Britain is also written of the constitution. Okay, England, the Great Britain. So written of the constitution, our Indian constitution. Okay. Actually, constitution, this is derived from constitutio. Constitutio. Constitutio is which word? Latin word. Latin language word. This Latin word means this constitutio means it is called established. Established of the government. Established of the government system. It is called constitution. Constitutio. Okay. Constitutio is the derived from Latin word. Okay. This is the which word? Latin word derived from constitutio. It is means. Okay. It means established of the government. So home rule movement, one of the main movement of Indian history. Srimati Annie Besant, the movement was started. Annie Besant, who is Annie Besant? Annie Besant is the one of the greatest British women. The British women mainly announced of the home rule system, self rule. It is motherland, self rule system. India also another self country. Self country means independent country. So huge population. Okay, huge population and self rule of the country in our India. Huge population and next to large democratic country. Large democratic country and huge population of the country in our India. So in this country, constitution is written is not only easy. The constitution is totally is the one of the biggest problems also created. So the problems means how to solve the problems. For example, in our Indian Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Jallianwala Bagh movement also total change of the historically in India. Okay, so the written of the constitution and self rule of the system, home rule system. So this home rule movement mainly started in this period, First World War period, 1914 to 1918. 1914 to 1918. In this period, beginning of the period, the World War I started. 1914 to 1918. So 1916, the home rule movement start. Home rule it is the one of the self rule of the system compared to other national movement, Vande Mataram movement, civil disobedience movement, Sahana Satyagraha movement, Quit India movement, and compared to only home rule movement, so lot of differences are there. The home rule is the totally nothing about not only one category, not only one side. It is total including for all over India. The total all of the states, including our Indian nation, the states also some group of people also mainly efforts and strike of start like against the Britishers. So the Britishers period also, the British period also mainly start of the home rule movement, other movements example, civil disobedience movement, Salt Satyagraha, okay, Quit India movement, okay, next Vande Mataram movement, Okay, and next to non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement also one of the main important of the historical background. Okay, yesterday we have learned about the what is the main movements. Main movements. Example of Indian movement. The main movements totally economically total changes of the historically economically total changes. Okay, so these are the main movement of the historical background. Non-cooperation movement, foreign policies are announced to non-cooperation movement. So this non-cooperation movement also mainly this year 1932 start non-cooperation movement and total remove the foreign policies, foreign policies and foreign exchange system also announced for the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement and home rule movement, these are the main important of the Indian historical background movements. Indian historical background movements. This movement totally changes of the Indian culture. And for example, first who is ruling of India? Who is ruling of India? In Europeans. The Europeans, particularly which type of groups? Portuguese. Portuguese first came to India. And who is living last? Okay, last living of the group of people, Portuguese also Portuguese. Europeans also another part. Okay, Portuguese, Britishers mainly highest years. Britishers 200 years in India. So it is the economically and politically total changes of the Indian movements. Economically and politically. And next to ideological system also. Ideological theory system also total changes of the English movement. Okay, the constitution. Yesterday we will discuss about constitution background, constitution history. What is constitutional historical background? Constitution is the our India only written of the constitution, written and rewritten of the constitution, written and rewritten of the constitution. So we are and next we the people of India sovereign, secular, democratic republic of country. Sovereign is also one of the supermost power. Sovereignty. Actually, this sovereignty word which were supermost word. Okay, supermost. It is which language word? Latin language. Supermost means established or super power of the country. Superpower. Supermost means super power. The supermost changes sovereignty, sovereign, secular, democratic. Okay, these are the main important of the words constitution of Indian words. Okay, for example, here secular. The secular is which word? 42nd Amendment. Changes one of the. For example, secular is the secular. What is the meaning of secular? Secular means here all are equal religious. The religious not only government, not only supported, not only accepted or supported, or not only rejected any religions. Any religion not supported, any religion not rejected. All are equal. All are equal religious. All are equality of all are equality of all religious. All religious. All are equality of all religious. So in which amendment? 42nd Amendment. 42nd Amendment. Okay. 42nd Amendment. So in this, which one is mainly came to in our Indian Constitution? Which one? Secular. The secular word is mainly joined of the in our Indian Constitution. Secular word. Secular means all are equal, equality of all religions in our society. So it is the which word? Secular word. 42nd Amendment. So in our Indian Constitution, secular, socialist, democratic republic of the country in our India. So every citizenship compulsory under the follow the under the democratic principles and under the sovereign principles and under the constitution laws. The constitution laws also main important of the in every country. Constitution laws, rule of law, okay, principles, and next republic of the country. In our country also, in our India also republic of the country. Republic means republic also one of the main important part of the in our Indian constitution. Public only mainly here main important of the in this system. Public only public views, public methods, okay, changes of the government and formation of the government and decision of the government and next to follow up of the government, end of the government, decision of the government, total is only changes of the government under the control by peoples only or public. So republic of the country, okay, economically background effect of the country, background effect of the countries. So the home rule movement is the one of the main important movement of the historical background. Okay, this is the mainly one of the great person. The rights of women also Bala Gangadhar Tilak and we should also start. Okay, next to conclusion. Okay, next to conclusion. Okay, conclusion in this chapter, particularly in this chapter topic the home rule movement. The home rule movement started 1916. This is the one of the main important movement in our Indian history, in our Indian historical national movement, Okay, the home rule movement started by Anibisent and Bala Gangadhar Tilak. In which year? 1916. Okay, 1932 foreign policy also established of the our Indian constitution. Okay, this is the main conclusion about the home rule movement. And historically our India is a largest democratic country. India large democratic country. Large democratic and highest population, large democratic and populous country. Populous country. So in this country, rule is very important of every country. So the rule is the direct rules of system, and the principles also. So what is main principles? The principles also. Okay, this one principles also mainly change of the in this conflicts in this system. So this conclusion about home rule movement other compared to other national movement. Example in the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement also this is totally encouragement of local or Swadeshi items, cotton cloths, and next to other cotton dresses materials and tea, coffee, okay, other food items, encouraging local type of items, local food items, okay, total discourage of the foreign goods and foreign materials. And this is the about our conclusion of home rule movement and compared to other historical background of constitution. Okay, children, we will continue tomorrow another topic. The new movement, home rule movement after how to change of the home rule movement and what about main theory of the home rule movement. Okay, we will discuss it tomorrow.